Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In previous class, I have taught you about how to use articles a, an and the, isn't it? And now today we are going to learn about omission of the articles. Omission of the articles, okay? Where to avoid articles, I mean a, an and the, okay? Now, as all of you know that articles a, an and the are the articles, isn't it? There are three articles. One is a, an and the. Now let us learn how they are avoided. Okay. Now first is article a and the are not used before a proper noun. Understand? We won't use a, an or the. All the three articles before a proper noun. For example, Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. India is a democratic country. And here, what are the proper nouns? Hyderabad, India, okay, like that way. Nizamabad, Chennai, Calcutta, all these comes under proper noun. And next use, it is not used before an abstract noun. It is not used before an abstract noun. For example, bravery is a virtue. Bravery is a virtue. Wisdom is better than riches. Okay? Wisdom is better than riches. Next is honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Here, what are the abstract nouns? Bravery, wisdom, honesty. For example, courage, beauty, all this comes under abstract noun. Okay, courage, beauty, charity, all this comes under abstract noun. Here bravery, wisdom and honesty, all this comes under abstract noun. And next is, it is not used before uncountable noun. It is not used before uncountable noun. What are uncountable noun? Example, sugar, milk, water, all this comes under uncountable nouns. For example, sugar is bad for health. Understand? Sugar is bad for health. Here what is uncountable? Sugar is uncountable. Next, there has been a lot of research into the cases of COVID-19. Okay? Research, this is uncountable noun. And just as all of you know that luggage, information, water, oil, milk, all this comes under uncountable nouns. Okay. Next is, it is also not used before the material noun. Before the material noun. Example, gold is a valuable metal. Okay. Gold is a valuable metal. Iron is a useful metal. So, what is material noun here? Gold, iron, copper, steel, brass, many are there, isn't it? Silver, many are there. All these comes under material noun. Next is, it is also not used before a common noun. Common noun. What comes under common noun? Girl, boy, child, dog, all this comes. Like that way. Example, man is mortal. Man is mortal. My father is a teacher. She broke my favorite mug. Nature has its own rules. So, what are the common noun here? Man is a common noun. Father is a common noun. Mug is a common noun. Nature is a common noun. Understand? Man, father, mug and nature. Okay? And for and boy, girl, child, pen, pencil, pad, all this comes under common noun. Okay? Next, it is also not used before names of diseases and before the names of games. Names of diseases, names of games, names of languages, names of day and month. Okay? Names of day and month. For example, she is suffering from typhoid, or otherwise she is suffering from headache, she is suffering from stomachache, she is suffering from fever. He is playing chess, or they are playing chess, or they are playing cricket. They prefer French. They prefer French is language. Here name of disease means typhoid, stomachache, headache, whatever it may be. And next is name of games. Games means chess, cricket, volleyball, football, whatever it may. All this comes under games. Next is language. They prefer French. French, Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, or whatever it may be. Next, we are studying English. Here also about the language. Before language, no article is used. Okay. Next is Christmas is celebrated in December. That means December is month. Okay. That means here name of disease, name of games, name of language, name of day, and name of month. Before the names of disease, before the names of games, before the names of language, before the names of a day, or before the names of a month, no article is used. Okay. I think all of you understood. Next comes to article is not used before the places like school, college, church, hospital, when visited for primary purpose. For example, see, we go to hospital for what? Treatment. Children go to school for what? To study. Okay. We go to temple for what? To pray. And see, he goes to school by bus. See, to school, no article is there here. If we use the school, it is wrong. If we use a school, it is wrong, because he is going to school for primary purpose. For what? To study. And here we go to church on every Sunday. Why we go to church? Why we go to church? To pray. Isn't it? Why we go to church? We go to church on every Sunday to pray. That is primary purpose. Next is, and in the same way, when we come to the hospital, my uncle is in hospital. For what? For treatment. Okay. And for example, Dr. Dinesh goes to hospital. As he is Dr. Dinesh, why he goes to hospital? To give the treatment. He treats the patients, isn't it? And in the same way, it is not used before plural nouns. Plural nouns means what comes under plural nouns? It may be women, girls, boys, students, books, bangles, sarees, fruits, all these things. Okay. All this comes under plural nouns. For example, oranges are rich in vitamin C. Here oranges is plural. Books are our best friends. Books are our best friends. What are the plural nouns here? Oranges, books, boys, girls, teachers, students, women, all this comes under plural nouns. And next is, it is not used before the word God. Okay. God, he is the creator. He is the creator. So, we won't use before, article is not used before the word God. For example, we all pray to God. Understand? See, there is no article, an, or the, whatever it may be. If you put, it is wrong. God is our loving Father. Okay. Is there any article? No, don't write the God, a God, or an God. If you write before God, if you put any article before God, it is wrong. Did you understand me? Now once more let us revise. Where should we omit articles? First is, it is omitted before the proper noun. Okay, it is omitted before the proper noun. It is omitted, avoided before the abstract noun. It is avoided before the uncountable nouns. Okay, it is omitted means avoided before the uncountable nouns. Okay, it is also avoided or omitted before the material nouns. It is also omitted before the common nouns. Okay, and next it is also omitted before names of the diseases, names of the languages, names of the games, names of the day and month. And it is also avoided, omitted when we used for the primary purpose. We omit before school, church or temple or hospital or prison also. For example, criminal is sent to prison. Criminal is sent to prison for what? He make mistakes, so for punishment. And it is also not used before plural nouns. Okay, plural nouns. And next is, it is not used before the word God. Okay, before the word God. Okay, now these are the rules where the omission of articles are used. Okay, I hope that all of you understood. Okay, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe.